Teaching a Yorkshire Terrier to stay, effective techniques for success. How to teach a Yorkshire Terrier to stay. Yorkshire Terriers, also known as Yorkies, are small and energetic dogs that make great companions. However, their high energy levels can sometimes make it challenging to teach them basic obedience commands. One of the most important commands to teach a Yorkie is the stay command. This command not only helps keep them safe but also helps in the overall training process. In this article, we will discuss some effective techniques to teach a Yorkshire Terrier to stay. 1. Start with the basics. Before attempting to teach a dog any new command, it's essential to establish a strong foundation with basic obedience training. Teach your Yorkie commands like sit and down so that they understand the concept of following instructions. Once these commands are mastered, you can move on to teaching the stay command. 2. Use positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is a key element in dog training, especially with Yorkshire Terriers. These dogs respond well to praise and rewards. Start by placing your Yorkie in the sitting position and give the command stay. Hold your hand out in front of you, palm facing them. Take a step back and wait for a few seconds. If your Yorkie stays in place, immediately praise them and give them a treat. Repeat this process, gradually increasing the duration of the stay each time. 3. Utilize visual cues. In addition to verbal commands, visual cues can be beneficial in teaching a Yorkshire Terrier to stay. Pairing a hand signal with the verbal command, stay, can help reinforce the desired behavior. You can use a simple open palm gesture or make a stop sign with your hand while giving the command. As your Yorkie becomes familiar with the hand signal, gradually reduce the verbal command and rely solely on the visual cue. For practice in a controlled environment. When initially teaching your Yorkie to stay, it is crucial to practice in a controlled environment with minimal distractions. Choose a quiet room or an enclosed area where there are limited distractions. This will help your dog focus on you and the command. As your Yorkie becomes better at staying in a controlled environment, gradually introduce distractions such as other people or mild noises. 5. Gradually increase the difficulty level. As your Yorkie becomes more proficient at staying, it is important to increase the difficulty level gradually. Start by adding distractions such as tossing a toy or having someone walk by. If your Yorkie remains in the stay position, reward them for their self-control. Continue to challenge them with more distractions, but always remember to set them up for success by gradually introducing tougher scenarios. 6. Avoid punishment. It is crucial to avoid using punishment when teaching a Yorkshire Terrier to stay. These dogs respond best to positive reinforcement and do not react well to harsh methods. Punishing your dog for not staying may cause fear or anxiety, leading to a reluctance to learn. Instead, focus on rewarding the desired behavior and providing encouragement when your Yorkie stays. 7. Be patient and consistent. Patience and consistency are key factors in teaching any dog a new command, including a Yorkshire Terrier. Every dog learns at their own pace, and it may take time for your Yorkie to master the stay command. Remain consistent with your training sessions and continue to reinforce the behavior through positive reinforcement. With time, your Yorkie will understand what is expected of them. In conclusion, teaching a Yorkshire Terrier to stay requires patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. By following these techniques, you can successfully teach your Yorkie this crucial command. And remember, each dog learns differently, so always adjust your training methods to suit your Yorkie's individual needs.